In this video, I'll compare really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Pexda and Pipiads. Now, whether you're doing dropshipping or Amazon FBA, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. If you pick the wrong tool, you're going to waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So watch this video to the end so I can help you make the right decision. I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including their product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, and so much more. I've included the links to both Pexda and Pipiads in the description below so you can check them out, and let's get started. Pexda stands out in its product discovery by providing a curated list of winning products. These selections are updated daily and they're accompanied by data-driven insights including sales trends and potential profitability. The platform offers a star rating system which helps users identify quickly the top performing products across various e-commerce platforms including AliExpress, Amazon, and eBay. Now let's talk about their market analysis. So the market analysis capabilities of Pexda are very robust. They're offering detailed insights into how each product performs in the market, including data on sales volume, geographic popularity, as well as demographic targeting. Pexda also provides Facebook ad insights for each product, including the ad copy, engagement rates, and audience demographics, which are invaluable for crafting effective marketing campaigns. But how does it integrate with other platforms? Well, Pexda integrates directly with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their stores. While it focuses primarily on Shopify, the insights it provides are also applicable to other e-commerce platforms, though direct integration might be limited. What about their supplier database? Well, Pexda does not have a built-in supplier database. Instead, it links directly to the suppliers on AliExpress, facilitating a straightforward way to connect with suppliers, but without the additional vetting or ratings that some other tools provide. So what about the pricing and profitability tools? Pexda includes a built-in profitability calculator that helps users estimate profit margins by considering product costs, selling prices, and estimated advertising expenses. This tool is essential for users who want to evaluate the financial viability for each product before they actually commit to something. So what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Pexda is intuitive and it's really good. It's designed to help even beginners navigate through the tool effectively. It's clean and organized, and it makes it easy to access different features and find the necessary information quickly. The customer support and community is also pretty good. They actually offer customer support via email, and they have an active presence on social media where they share updates and engage with users. Additionally, Pexda provides access to a private Facebook group where you can exchange tips, ask stories, as well as share your success. But now you're probably wondering about how much all of this actually costs. So let's look at their pricing. Now, Pexda offers a subscription model, and as you can see, for a limited time, you can get a 50% off. They've got a standard plan starting at $195 for 14 days, and then it goes up to almost $15 a month. The premium, which is really popular, it's the most popular one, and then it goes up to ultimate if you want to scale your business at almost $100 a month. And so you can see what's included in each of these subscriptions here. If you want to try out any one of them, you can use the link in the description and sign up. You can also cancel anytime, so there's no commitment. What about automation features? While Pexda does not focus on automation of dropshipping operations like order fulfillment, it automates the process of product and ad research, significantly reducing the time and effort that it takes you to identify profitable products and effective ads. So what about analytics and reporting? Pexda provides detailed analytics on product performance and ad success, which helps users make informed decisions based on real-time data. The platform's reporting tools are geared towards optimizing e-commerce and advertising strategies. Now, if you're using a phone, if you want to be able to access Pexda on your mobile device, unfortunately, they don't offer a mobile app right now, which could be a limitation if you're planning on managing your business through your phone. but it shouldn't be a problem. Most people use their laptop anyway for business. As far as reviews and user feedback goes, user feedback for Pexda is generally pretty positive. Many users appreciate the quality of the product insights and the ease of integrating with Shopify. Some users, however, wish there was more extensive platform integration, so with other platforms, and maybe some additional features for supplier management. Overall, Pexda is a powerful tool for dropshippers that are focused on discovering winning products and leveraging data-driven insights for successful entry into the market. Its strength is in product curation and ad analysis, which makes it really valuable, especially if you're using Shopify. And it could benefit from broader integration with other e-commerce platforms and a mobile app, but that's something that they might upgrade and add in the future, so stay tuned. Pipiads is particularly strong in identifying trends on TikTok, as you can probably tell based on their page right here. This is really useful and powerful for dropshippers that are looking to capitalize on viral trends. The platform provides detailed insights into which products are gaining traction through successful advertising campaigns, allowing users to discover potential bestsellers before they hit the mainstream market. So what about their market analysis? Market analysis with Pipiads is tightly integrated with TikTok's advertising landscape. It offers detailed analytics on ad performance, including viewer engagement, reach, and demographic information. This enables users to understand not just what products are popular, but why they're popular and how to position them effectively in their own marketing campaigns. But how does it integrate with other platforms? Well, Pipiads primarily serves as an ad spy tool, and it does not directly integrate with e-commerce platforms for product management or listing. However, the insights gained can be used to inform product selections and marketing strategies, no matter what platform you use, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform. As far as supplier database goes, Pipiads does not include a supplier database. Once again, it's not really focused on the day-to-day management of a dropshipping business. It focuses on the advertising side of it, so it provides insights rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations. Users will need to source their own suppliers or use another tool in conjunction with Pipiads if you want to manage your supply. As far as pricing and profitability tools that are offered, the tool doesn't actually traditionally offer pricing and profitability calculators. That's not really the goal of Pipiads, but you can infer the potential profit margins based on the performance and engagement metrics of your ads for similar products, so that can give you a rough idea of what the profits might look like. User interface and ease of use for Pipiads is generally considered pretty good. It's designed specifically for users that are interested in leveraging TikTok ads. The platform's layout makes it simple to find and analyze high-performing ads, and they also have lots of filters that you can use to narrow down your search results based on different criteria. What about the customer support and community? Well, customer support for Pipiads is available via email and live chat. Additionally, they also have a community where members can share their insights and strategies, especially for maximizing the your profitability and performance for your TikTok ads for dropshipping. But let's talk about their pricing, because I'm sure you're interested in that. As you can see, Pipiads offers a subscription model like a lot of other tools. So they have the monthly as well as annual plan. If you pay annually, you can save 30%. So if you're serious about using Pipiads for your dropshipping business, to run ads on TikTok, to analyze them and find trends, I would get the annual plan. You can save a lot of money. It's definitely worth it. And as you can see, they have the starter plan starting at $77 a month, and it goes all the way up to Pro at $263, and their most popular is actually the VIP, which is in between these two at $155 a month. As you can see, what's included in each of them, the number of ads per query goes up as you buy the more expensive plan, all the way up to 5,000. Everything pretty much goes up. With Pro, you actually get everything for not just one person, but for 5 people. So if you're running a bigger operation, Pro might be the better option for you. What about the automation features? Well, Pipiads doesn't offer automation in the traditional sense of dropshipping operations. It automates the process of discovering and tracking successful TikTok advertisements, which can save you a lot of time and effort if you're doing market research. For analytics and reporting, they excel in providing detailed information on TikTok ad campaigns, so I can help you find out which is successful and which is not, as well as the conversion potential. Unfortunately, Pipiads does not currently have a mobile app, so if you are planning on using something like this on your phone, then Pipiads is not the right platform for you. But if you're using your laptop anyway, your computer, then that doesn't matter. But what do users say? What's the feedback? What are the reviews like? Well, the general reception of Pipiads is that it's pretty good, especially if you're focused on TikTok ads, which is kind of niche. As you can see on the page right here, Pipiads is simply the perfect tool for product research, the best investment you can make for your e-commerce business to access the latest products and creatives of the moment. So it's definitely a popular platform that a lot of people really like. It's got great reviews and a lot of well-known dropshippers are using them in their business. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.